Hello and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at how to assign materials to bodies, as well as calculating their mass and various other properties. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I've got a few bodies that I've created. What we want to do is find out what the mass of these objects is. So in order to do that, we need to go to the Modify tab over here and click on Physical Material. This will give us a drop down of all the various materials that are available in the Fusion 360 library. For this example, I'm going to select aluminium over here. If you scroll down, you can see there's quite a few different grades of aluminium, as well as other metals. So you can just scroll through there and pick the exact one that your project specifies, and you'll be able to calculate an accurate weight. So for this one, I'm just going to go pick aluminium from the top here, just the generic aluminium. What we're going to do is we're just going to drag it over there. And there we can see the colors changed and it's assigned the metal to it. For the other object, I will select something else. So brass for the square, or the cube rather, and then gold for the sphere. So now once I've closed this, you can see that these have all changed color, which means that their materials have been changed. Once you've done this, we're going to want to check on the body's properties to see what the details are. So I can see body 1, that's my cube. If I right click on it and go down to properties over here, we get this properties menu on the right hand side. So we can see the area, the density, this is related to the material we chose, and here is your mass. So I think this cube is 50 millimeters by 50 by 50. So that will give us that surface area. And with that specific gravity or density, we have our mass of just over a kilogram. And then of course we've got the volume over there, as well as the name of the physical material. So I'm going to show you this on each one, and you can see how they differ. We'll go into properties, and there we can see for our sphere what is going on there. You'll use the same process for the other body. Right click, go to properties, and there we have our details. So we just look at this one over here. The mass is 265 grams. I'm just going to make a change to this body. So I'll create a sketch on the top plane, and we'll go with the center diameter circle. It doesn't really matter where. I'm going to extrude this through, and we're going to remove material. So once I've extruded this through and cut out, you can see now the shape has changed, so the mass should have changed as well. So we'll go in there, properties, we went from 265 to 213. So you can see as soon as your material is assigned, any changes you make to your body will be updated when you check the mass again. Another thing that's quite useful is if we go into inspect menu over here, we can actually identify the center of mass. So if I click on there and we select our body and we select OK, it will then show us where the center of mass is for that body. And obviously if I had to say cut a big chunk off the top there, that center of mass would drop. So these are some useful tools you can use to assess your models in terms of mass and center of gravity. Hope you guys found this video useful. Please leave a like and a comment, and if you need to get in touch with me, my email is in the description. It's fusionfundamentals@gmail.com. Until next time, bye.